Let's stir up this lovely lasagna, one of the best lasagnas you'll ever make. What you need for this is 1 box of oven-ready lasagna noodles, 2 pounds cooked ground beef, 3 cups pasta sauce, 1.5 cup ricotta cheese, half cup cooked spinach, 1 teaspoon each minced garlic and ginger, 1 teaspoon each salt, Italian seasoning, Cajun spice, 2 cups each diced mushrooms and green peppers, and 2 to 3 cups of shredded cheese. First, I'm going to take a pan heated with a little bit of olive oil and add my minced garlic and ginger, and after about 30 seconds, add my green peppers as well as my mushrooms, and I want to cook down my veggies. Now, we pre-cooked the veggies with a bit of our seasoning, so that's the 3 I mentioned, Cajun, Italian, and salt. You can add pretty much anything that you like, and cook this for about 10 minutes or so until all the water is released, because you don't want the veggies to be raw in the lasagna. They're going to release way too much water. So on the side, I'm also going to take a pan, heat it up, and make my sauce in it while my veggies are cooking. So today I am using pre-made sauce, but usually I do make my sauce from scratch, which I will do another video on. So I'm going to take my sauce, add some Cajun spice, and I'm going to simmer it on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's cooked. And on the side, I'm going to continue to cook my veggies. You can see after some time my veggies are cooked, and now I am adding my pre-cooked meat to my sauce. Now I do have the recipe for the meat on my channel. I'll also tag it in the description below. So you're going to just mix this together because the meat is cooked as well as the sauce, and you don't need to give it more than about 5 minutes. As you can see right now, the sauce is good to go as well as the veggies, so you can turn your stove off and keep these aside. Here, I'm going to take my ricotta and I'm going to add my pre-cooked spinach, which I had in the freezer actually. So it's just spinach that I cooked in a bit of olive oil and garlic, and I'm going to keep this aside for my topping. Now I'm going to take my baking pan, and at the bottom I'm going to put some sauce and then put about 3 oven-ready lasagna noodles. Now you want to leave some space in between the oven-ready lasagna noodles so they don't stick together, because they do expand when they cook. Then you're going to add generously another layer of your sauce. So that's the meat and the tomato sauce from the pasta sauce that we were making earlier. And then we're going to put our veggies on top. So you can certainly add other veggies. I personally want to keep it simple because I love the taste of just the mushroom and the green peppers. And I already have, onions, ginger, garlic in my pre-made ground beef. So I don't want to overpower the taste of the veggies here. So I'm going to add a layer of the veggies, and once they're all there, then I'm going to put some cheddar cheese. You can certainly use marble cheese or mozzarella cheese. Today I'm going to be using cheddar cheese. That's just honestly what I had at home, and that's what I thought to use. Now you're going to do about 2 layers of this in the exact same way. So I'm going to show you one more layer a bit quicker, just to give you guys an idea on how tall my lasagna gets. So here I've laid out my 3 noodles. Then I'm going to put my sauce on top, and then we're going to spread this to all the corners. Oh yeah, another point, you want to make sure all the noodles are covered with the sauce so they can cook really well. Then you're going to just spread some veggies on top, and once you spread the veggies, make sure you get each and every corner, and then you're going to just put your shredded cheese on top. So this is about 2 layers, and then for my last layer, I'm going to just show you that I'm just going to be putting my pasta sauce. So whatever is remaining, I'm going to put it all there. And then for this top layer, I'm going to do my ricotta mixture. If you do not want ricotta, just do another layer of the veggies and the cheese. So here is my pre-mixed ricotta and spinach. I'm just going to spread this really nicely. It honestly looks so good in presentation as well. And I love the subtleness of the ricotta cheese. Just on top of the ground beef, it just tastes really nice. I'm going to put one more layer of cheese. Be generous with this one, it's the topping. And then I'm going to tightly seal my pan with foil. I'm going to cook this on 375 degrees for 50 minutes exactly. Now, I don't ever go by what the box says. This is how I do it. And let's see how it looks after 50 minutes. Ooh, that looks perfect. Now we're going to make it a bit crispy at the top. So we're going to put our oven on 400 degrees, and for about 15 minutes you want to cook this so just the top gets a bit crispy and brown. And look how perfect that lasagna looks. This is the ingredient list for you once again to screenshot. Definitely give this a try. Thank you so much for watching this, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Until next time, keep stirring it up.